All right, hey, we're gold mining today. I got the STC 2300, and I'll let you look at some of these river rocks. And I'm basically just been grabbing them and tossing them down a little hole down here. Oh. And I found a little gold. I'm just kind of busting off the top and then detecting and picking out the gold, you know. So I'll get back to you when I get this bucket or a target. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, these rocks. There's everywhere. Miner Pete getting her done. Bam! Booyah! That's why I was moving the rocks. And then this one's next. Yeah, I'm blasting out this area here, and I got a decent sized piece of gold. I'll show later. I thought I recorded it, but it went to my last video, so I got to redo it, and I'll show you at the end in my pan. And I found it up here, so I'm gonna move some of this stuff and start detecting and see what I get. I mean, there's just quartz rocks everywhere, and old river channel, and then the river. And so I'm tearing it up today. Pardon my words, but happy Saturday. It's a beautiful day. I'm on the hillside here and just having fun. So thanks for watching. And yeah. Well, it's hailing. And I don't know. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold and hailing. Oh my gosh. Pete and his sand, making sand castles.
No, I got on the bottom. I got a lot of bedrock. I got a lot of little flakes in there, Jess.
You're soaked, dude. It's pouring.
Well, how come you're not soaked?
I am. It's gonna start snowing here pretty quick. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, literally decided to hail really bad, and it's knocking over my drink here. Oh boy. When it's cold, wet, and rainy, you do a quick little I see blue skies! Over here! 2 in the first pan. Little ones. I'm gonna suck them up. First pan of cons, we got 2 little pieces. Right there. Here's the gold we found. Got 2 pickers and some flakes and a piece of lead. And that's my test BB, so that one goes with me everywhere, but that's it until we ran into the snow. I got a new backpack, by the way, so anyway, thanks for watching. So I'm gonna show you the gold I got here. Listen, with the river. Little shit one right here. I can't pick him up. Oh yeah, I can. You know, like, he likes taking hikes and getting stuck to my finger. I ain't messing with him. He's not a picker. This one's a picker. That one's a picker right here. There's a little picker. And here's a piece of lead that I got. Or whatever the freaking heck it is. And then this is my little test BB. That's the one I want to find a gold nugget. You can hear that bad boy from a mile away. And, just gonna... I found that one in my last video. Can't suck this shit up. Come on, baby. Don't leave me hanging. It's called vacuum suck.
How much was in there?
All right, hey, I'm home today after the rain fiasco, if you will. It was, that was uncalled for. It said it was supposed to be nice today and it wasn't, so. I want to show you the gold I got from the last 2 trips. The one with the frogs today, and then the first detector one I got. All right, there's a picture of it. It's not very much. It's almost half a gram. And it's just for farting around, you know. There's all the gold I got. So I wanted to show you what I got. And, oh, you didn't see that? No, it just went to 0. There it goes. No, I saw it at 0.4. Anyway, that's what I got. Just wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, and hopefully more gold will come. Today was just as soon as I started finding gold, man, that rain was a little much with the snow and the hail. So gonna have to wait it out and see. Hopefully it gets more goldy in the future. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned and we'll find some more gold. Thank you. I still got some gold in my snuffer bottle.